Hi guys! Today, may nag-comment na to scoot for her. Yassel, welcome. We got 1, 2, and 3. Done! Tawa siya. Pipiliin po natin. 1, 2. Hindi makikita po. Kaya gamitin po natin. Ito. 1, 2. 2 flower clip. Okay. 2 flower clip. Sasabi. Mara. Madam muna lang. Next is 1 pen set. Okay, so my pen here. I will give she his. So nice. Diba? Ayun pala yun. Diba? Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny tan or photo card. Okay. Makukuha ka rin ng 6 tiny tan. Parang 4 na lang may mga tiny tan at saka photo card. Makukuha tang 2 photo card. 2 photo card. 1 at saka 2. Okay. 2 photo card. Hindi makikita ang suga rin. Isang panipen set. Basket panipen set. Next. Tatlong color pen. Makukuha tang color pen ng 3 color pen. Para layo ko. 3 color pen. Ihati. Color pen. Ito. Oh no, the time is coming up. We need faster. It's almost done. Look up. Now, welcome. Bye.